How do you protect your intellectual property? So, excellent question, and you're smart to be thinking about it. Let's first kind of briefly define what intellectual property is. It's things that aren't tangible usually, your brand, your concepts, your secret sauce, that sort of thing. So you have a couple tools in your belt to protect these. The first one is the trademark. What is a trademark? That has to do with your brand. So we'll use Nike as an example. Just Do It as a trademark because it signals who, you see Just Do It on a shirt, you know who made the shirt. So the trademarking is all about protecting that owner of that business so that no one can basically copycat them and pretend like they are them. So the consumer now knows who made the Just Do It shirt. You also have like the swoosh, that's the logo. You have Nike, the name. So your business, our Drafted Legal is a trademark name. So people know when they go to Drafted Legal or they see Drafted Legal that their attorney drafted templates on there. It's not a cut and paste from something online. They know what the source is. They know who's behind it, lawyers are behind it, that sort of thing. It's designed to protect the integrity of your brand. Another tool you have is copyright. Copyright is more for you write a book, the words exactly how they're done in that book, not the ideas, but the words, or a poem, the copy on a blog, picture, exactly that version. That is copyright. So your words, if you have ebooks and that sort of thing, you always want to have your copyright protection. The other stuff are patents. That's more inventions. That's you're creating something new and novel. Like a computer has a bunch of patents in it. That's a very expensive endeavor. These first two are things that you're starting a business, you're starting a brand, you're getting online, you want to go ahead and protect it if you can. So we got a couple tips for you to make sure that you are protecting it. First, you can download some of those resources if you go to draftedlegal.com and you go to Start Here. There's a Trademark Search template you can download. It's really helpful and it'll show you exactly how you can search your trademark and your business name. So here's what I want you to do. Is one, make sure the business name you have is not being used by someone else or trademarked by someone else. So go to that template, that PDF will explain a little bit more on how to review it. But what you're looking for is go to USPTO, that's who has the federal trademarks. Make sure that someone has not trademarked your brand name in your industry. So if I'm a fitness, studio and someone has a cooking show and it's the same name, that doesn't matter. It's all about whether a consumer would be confused. So make sure it's available, your name is available. And then next you'll consider whether or not you want to trademark it. You can use a law firm or online resource or do it directly. You can message us and we're happy to give you tips, or you could utilize a law firm if you wanted to do that for the trademark. But your real main objective is making sure that it's available. Second one is when the time is right and the money's there, you go ahead and trademark it so that you can protect it. The second thing I want you to do is look at copyright and make sure you have an appropriate copyright notice. If you go to draftedlegal.com at the bottom, it's the exact notice that you need to do. It'll have the LLC, the C, basically, and the date. You're basically telling the world, like, these are my words, don't steal them. What all this does is help prevent copycats. There's so much of it online today. Helps protect the integrity of your brand. So when you have your break, when you start to get momentum, you have put all the fundamentals in place so that you are protected. And if someone does start to copy you, you can send them a cease and desist. Basically, you can protect your business. It's like your security system for your house. You want to make sure that it is protected. You want to have good walls. You want to have the security system. You want to have everything built up. So if something were to happen, you're still in a good spot. So most businesses, you're looking at trademarks and copyrights. I hope that's helpful. If you got any questions, pop them in the comments below. Try to get to them. If you want a video on a different topic for your business, please put that in the comments and we'll be sure to pop it up as soon as we can. Again, go to draftedlegal.com for free resources on how to protect your business.